After doing paragraphs, you have to do the activities or exercises. So let's start. In the first exercise, you can see at the page number 162. Write true, T for true statements and F for false statements. So let's start. We should give up laziness. Is it true? Yes, it is true. The peacock is free to play with the boy. No, it is false. Rohit plays with his friends in the morning. No, he plays with his friend in the evening. There are many children in the garden. No, it is also false. So student, after this you can see to choose the correct alternative. A punctual boy does not miss his school, does not misuse things, does not do work on time, does not waste his time. So the right option is D, does not waste his time. Who is not willing to work? रोहित. द आंसर इज रोहित. विलिंग मीन्स होता है इच्छा. तो किसकी इच्छा नहीं थी काम करने की? रोहित. लेजीनेस इज डैश फॉर अस. गुड, बैड, यूजफुल, हेल्प. यस, लेजीनेस इज बैड फॉर अस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, after that you need not to do the question answers. Then you can see the activity number 2 at the next page. My father works in fields. Here you have to choose the opposite, okay, from the given words in the box. My dash helps me. Here the opposite of father is mother. You can easily write here. The sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. In the winter season we go to school at 9:30 a.m. and dash back means go. The opposite of go is come back. Parrot, crow, sparrow and horses were dash in their work. Busy. So they did not play with Rohit, who was free. The opposite of free is busy. Okay students, so this is the activity number 2. After doing this activity, you can see the activity number 3. In the activity number 3, you can see, look at these sentences, understand the differences between them. I go to play in the evening. I do not go to play daily. Here you can see the affirmative and negative. First sentence is affirmative, that means positive, and the second sentence is negative. He learns his lessons, affirmative. He does not learn his lessons, negative. We go to school regularly. We do not go to school regularly. So the pattern is affirmative then negative. So now change the following sentence into negative. Now you have to change some sentences into negative. The boy meets a dog. Here students, in the simple present tense, when we change the sentence into negative, we have to use do or does. As you can see in above sentences, when we use do, then no change with verb. But if the sentence is already having s or es with verb, that means we have to use does. So when we use does in the sentence, we will remove the s or es which is along with the verb. Okay, so note it. And the second thing, do we use for other persons, and does we use only for the third person singular. That means कि only third person singular, he, she, it or any singular person, we use does, and the rest of the persons we will use do. Okay, so see the number 1. The boy meets a dog. Here the boy is a singular, that third person singular, or meets, that means we have to use here does. Then we will make the boy does not meet a dog. You can write like this. We play in the evening every day. we do not play in the evening every day because we is plural. Mohan does his homework daily. Mohan does not do. Here does is a main verb, that means karna. Does is used as a helping verb or does is a action verb, both. So first we will write does not, then we will drop es of does and convert the verb into do his homework daily. The sentence will make Mohan does not do his homework daily, यानी मोहन अपना काम नहीं करता है. Okay students,